Solve the radical equation root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 minus root of x squared minus 1 equals x.
This video contains the following sections: reading the problem carefully and understanding it, developing a plan to solve it, solving the problem, thinking about it further and try to apply the approach to other problems. Near the end of the video, there's an additional question which can be solved using a similar approach to that used for solving a specific problem. If you find these helpful, please subscribe to the channel for notification of new videos by pressing the video watermark in the right-hand corner of the video player.
From root of x plus 1, we know that x is greater than or equal to minus 1 from root of x minus 1. X is greater than or equal to 1 from root of x squared minus 1. X is greater than or equal to 1 or x is less than or equal to minus 1. In addition, x equals 1 isn't a solution of the equation. So in summary, x is greater than 1. Two methods are used. One is by substitution. For example, let root of x plus 1 equal t. Root of x minus 1 equal s. The equation is converted to an equation for t and s. Solve the equation for t and s. Substitute them back to work out x. The other is by raising both sides of the equation to the index of the radicals. Repeat the process until there are no radicals in the equation. Solve the resulting equation. Verify the solutions with the original equation. Let root of x plus 1 equal t. Root of x minus 1 equal s. We have t plus s minus ts equals x. T squared minus s squared equals 2. T squared plus s squared equals 2x. From equations 1 and 3, we have t squared plus s squared equals 2 times t plus s minus ts. By rearranging the equation, we have t squared plus 2ts plus s squared equals 2 times t plus s. T plus s all squared equals 2 times t plus s, because t plus s doesn't equal 0. So t plus s equals 2. From equation 2, we have t plus s times t minus s equals 2. So t minus s equals 1. From equations 4 and 5, we have t equals 3/2. X equals t squared minus 1 equals 3/2 all squared minus 1 equals 5/4. Verify x equals 5/4 with the original equation. It is the solution of the original equation. Now we have an alternative method. By rearranging the equation, we have root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 equals x plus root of x squared minus 1. Now square both sides of the equation. We have 2x plus 2 times root of x squared minus 1 equals x squared plus 2x times root of x squared minus 1 plus x squared minus 1. 2 minus 2x times root of x squared minus 1 equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 1. Now, square both sides of the equation. We have 4x squared minus 8x cubed plus 4x to the power of 4 minus 4 plus 8x minus 4x squared equals 4x to the power of 4 minus 8x cubed plus 4x squared minus 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. 4x squared and minus 4x squared cancel. Again, 4x squared and minus 4x squared cancel. So we have 4x to the power of 4 minus 8x cubed plus 8x minus 4 equals 4x to the power of 4 minus 8x cubed plus 4x plus 1. 4x to the power of 4 and 4x to the power of 4 cancel. Minus 8x cubed and minus 8x cubed cancel. 8x minus 4 equals 4x plus 1. So 4x equals 5. X equals 5/4. Verify x equals 5/4 with the original equation. It is the solution of the original equation.
Think about the thought process for the previous question further and try to apply the approach to other problems.
Such as this one. Solve the radical equation root of x minus 2 plus 2 times root of x minus 3 minus root of x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 2.
You can write your answers in the comments section if you like. If you have any mathematics questions of interest, you can write these in the comments section if you like. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.